we're currently on the verge of a food revolution that doesn't require a single acre of new farmland or a single head of livestock. Today, we're exploring precision fermentation, the technology turning microscopic organisms into sustainable food factories, to understand why it's set to disrupt our global supply chain forever. At its core, precision fermentation is brewing beer, but instead of producing alcohol, we program microorganisms, yeast or fungi to churn out specific functional proteins. Think of it as programming biology. By inserting a genetic blueprint into these tiny workers, we can instruct them to produce exact replicas of proteins found in milk, eggs, or even honey. The result is molecularly identical to the animal, derived versions but produced in a stainless steel tank. It's a clean, controlled process that removes the inefficiency of raising an entire animal just to harvest one specific component. The environmental implications are staggering, especially when you consider that traditional agriculture is a leading driver of deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions. Precision fermentation uses up to 90% less land and water than conventional dairy farming. But here's the counterintuitive part. This isn't just about vegans or environmentalists. Because these proteins are chemically identical, they provide the exact texture and melting point consumers expect in cheese or ice cream, meaning the transition happens without sacrificing taste. We're effectively decoupling food production from the limitations of biological evolution. You might wonder if this technology is still decades away, but the reality is that the future is already sitting on your grocery store shelves. Many of the flavorings and enzymes in your pantry are already produced via this method. Even more surprising is the potential for nutritional enhancement. We can design proteins that are more digestible or allergen-free than nature intended. As we scale this, we could solve global food security issues. But there's one major regulatory hurdle standing in the way of mass adoption. Precision fermentation matters because it offers a scalable, sustainable path to feeding a growing population while slashing our environmental footprint. It's the bridge between human culinary tradition and the technological necessity of our climate-stressed future. If you found this dive into the future of food fascinating, hit that button and subscribe to stay updated on the tech changing our world. Let's know in the comments, would you swap your dairy for lab-brewed alternatives?